We are going to make this DIY hand generator. There are many parts, but don't worry, we do step by step. Step 1, right? Get this motor into this housing, right? So ensure that this one is outside, this part is outside, that's protruding outside, right? Go into this hole, right? With this pointing either left or right, it doesn't matter, right? So this is the first step. Step 2, right? This template goes in here this way. Yes, this way, right? So what you can do is get these two holes, right? Push in this way. Then after that, using the nut, just tighten them together. So we are finishing step 2. Can you see the screw is here? So what you can do, you're provided with a screwdriver. Hand hold this nut, then you just keep on turning, right? Then it's done. Then here comes step 3. Step 3, what you need is this gear. Right, you need to have some force. Push all the way in, not all the way in, until you push all the way in until 2 mm before you reach the template. So you need to have some force. If your hand is not strong enough, get some adults to help you. Push it in. Further in until it's about 2 mm. Yeah, around here. Okay. Right, next step, we need to put this column on these 3 big holes. 1, 2, 3. Right, so you need 3 bigger screws. So what you need to do is put your screw through here, right? Using a screwdriver, then place your column here. There are screw thread, you can just screw it in. Yeah, so you push the screw through here, and you can turn just this way. That's one. So finish the other 2. Ta-da! This is the end product. Next, take one of these. You have 2 of this metal rod. Take one of these and this rubber stopper. Push it in. Then pass it through here. No, here. Can you see these 3 holes? 1, 2, the third one. Right? Then after that, you take one of this green stopper. It's more like a brush to put it here. Then you place this gear over it. This way. Right? This one is made in such a way that they will actually catch each other. The gears will catch each other nicely. Okay. Then to stop it from moving, you take this stopper and stop it from moving. Then you are also given this spindle or axle with the gear. This is already fixed for you. Can you see this hole near the bigger gear? Just push it in this way. Then you find that it catches here nicely also. The gears will catch each other nicely. Okay. Okay, now we need to secure this housing. Take the last plate. Look at this thing. 1, 2, 3, right? 3 big holes. Then here, 3 big holes. 1, 1, 2, and 3. Right? Push it through here. right? Make sure they are in line. Yes. Then after this, we lock. Yeah, to secure this this housing, you are given another one of this rubber stopper. Put it here so that it doesn't move. Then you have use another 3 screw, right? Screw, can you remember our column? Now you use a screw to screw through this 3 big hole so that the whole thing is being secure. Okay, we have finished 2 and now it's the last one. Yes. Okay. Now we can put this aside and we are going to make our handle. Right, can you see we have this yellow handle? You have another one of this metal rod. Right, this handle, there's one with this protruding thing. Right, ignore this side. Push this steel pin here. Press it in so that it's firm. That's one. Then after that, there's a metal sleeve. Slot through here, right? And then you're also given this yellow stopper or brush. Put it here. So this will be your handle. Then this part, you're going to push through here. You see this long axle or long spindle? Push it in. Okay, then we are almost done. And what you need to do now is to push this wire. This positive negative doesn't matter. What you need to do is just push this wire in. Then after that you secure. Push this in. And then you secure it. Okay. Okay, then our hand generator is ready to be used.